welcome to your IELTS review video. In today's episode, we're going to talk about people asking me for help. So let's get started. Describe an occasion when a family member asks you for help. My younger sister asked me for help last week when she was struggling with her math homework. Or a more descriptive answer could be, I vividly recall my younger sister reaching out to me for assistance just last week. She was grappling with her math homework and sought my guidance. Who has asked you for help? My sister asked me for help. Or it was my younger sister who approached me, seeking help with her math homework. When was it? It happened last week. Or this incident occurred precisely a week ago. How did you feel? I felt happy to help her. Or I experienced a sense of satisfaction in being able to assist her. How did you feel about it? I felt glad that I could be of assistance to her. Or it was heartening for me to be in a position where I could provide her with the help she needed. Only a few questions today. Next up is the reading passage. Please read along with me as it's intended to give you more insight into the topic at hand. In the past, families often followed more rigid structures with well-defined roles. Fathers were typically the breadwinners, mothers managed the household, and children contributed to chores and education. However, contemporary families exhibit a more flexible and diverse range of roles. Both parents may contribute to finances, share household responsibilities, and participate in raising children. This shift is attributed to changing gender norms, economic realities, and cultural influences. While family bonds remain essential, the nature of these bonds has evolved. Communication tools and social platforms enable family members to stay connected, irrespective of geographic distances. This convenience has transformed how emotional support is extended across generations, fostering stronger emotional bonds even when physically apart. The concept of support is also taken on new dimensions. In the past, support often meant financial assistance or practical help. Today, it encompasses emotional well-being, mental health, and personal growth. Family members are more attuned to each other's emotional needs, providing a safe space for sharing struggles and seeking advice. As the pace of life quickens, families adapt to fostering open communication, scheduling quality time, and practicing self-care. Modern families face unique challenges, such as balancing work and family life, navigating the digital age, and ensuring a healthy work-life balance. This exchange promotes mutual understanding, empathy, and unity. The evolution of family dynamics also brings intergenerational learning to the forefront. Elders share their life experiences and wisdom, while younger members offer insights into contemporary trends and technology. While family dynamics have changed significantly over time, the central role of families is providing support, love, and guidance remains unchanged. The ability to adapt, communicate, and learn from one another enhances family cohesion and empowers individuals to navigate life's complexities. I hope you found that insightful. Next up is our range of vocabulary expressions. Traditional roles: breadwinners, homemakers, primary caregiver, shared responsibilities, gender norms and roles, nuclear family, extended family, generational divide, stay connected, emotional bonds, geographic distances, visual communication, face-to-face interaction, maintain ties, stay in touch, foster relations, emotional well-being, solidarity, offer guidance, provide assistance, lend a helping hand, emotional support, mental health awareness, nurturing environment, create a safe space, seek advice, empathetic listening, be there for each other, boost morale, motivate and inspire, juggling responsibilities, work-life balance, digital age challenges, technological advancements, navigate complexities, evolving challenges, coping mechanisms, overcome obstacles, embrace change, and flexible approach. And lastly, we have our paraphrasing exercises. Please have a go at putting these into your own words at home. How did you feel when a family member asked you for help? Instead, you'd say, what were your emotions when a family member requested your assistance? Who asked you for support within your family? Which family member sought your aid? When did you provide assistance to a family member? At what time did you extend help to a member of your family? I was there to offer guidance when my sibling approached me for help. Instead, you could say, I provided advice when my sibling came to me seeking assistance. Or, it was a rewarding experience to assist my parents during a challenging time. I found great satisfaction in aiding my parent during a difficult period. The way my cousin asked me for my support made me feel valued and trusted. My cousin's manner of seeking my assistance conveyed a sense of trust and appreciation. And lastly, the descriptions, and you're on your own for that one. As always, thank you for listening. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.